Ako.
Yes.
So, ngayon guys, kami maglalaban ng tama ni Tito Jeff. Titingnan po natin kung sino mananalo ang game.
Nakatira na ako ba?
It's hard to beat a team like this, and we were there. You know, we were a victim to this, and Coach Sean coached them very well. They had some problems with ball. They brought in this veteran Bacolo, and not only Bacolo, the other locals have stepped up as well. They helped
Wala na yan, no?
big finals again, so this is nice to see that they're back there again. Well, you mentioned the Chris Bacolo who are playing.
Yabang ni Tito Jeff eh.
Ano naman maganda si Chris Bacolo?
Porkat bungi lang eh. Porkat bungi. Si Tito Jeff. Ma'am, sana manood ka dito. Dito ko sa video.
Style of game. But Bacolo, he has changed. And he has gone back to the kind of game that Coach Sean
Sino kaya mananalo dito? Kaya ulam mo.
so far in this conference, he's played only 3 games so far as a Lakers.
Kuya Yudi.
When he's in back,
Saan ka galing?
because before
Kaya mama.
he was
Nakatira na nga ako eh. Tumira ka ulit.
this conference. But over the last 3 games that he has played,
Bakit ako ba
he's now averaging 20 assists a game. And that's as far as local involvement is concerned.
Uy, yung dayan ni Tito Jeff. Nasa kanya yung bus ko. Yan mo na. Bus ka na.
What do you need to talk about it? Exceptional. I mean, they have so many weapons. Tapata, Pogoy, Oksana, Jason, but he's come into his own. And he's a good person. There's some calm out there. You see the numbers. 7, 10, 10.4. Field goals. That's a remarkable advantage. 32% to 51. That's moving up in 20 Patrick goals. Rebounds. Identical in assists, but it's nice to see also he's had some injuries and
Ginawa niya yan, Daka?
in a series both teams are very deep, right? But it's important that those get injuries because those things can matter in a more about the PFC story the goal for what's going on this.
Wala ka na, Tito Jeff. Hindi mo na kinukuha. Tingin nga ako ng video. Two minutes na kayo dito. Parang di na to laro ah. Suntukan na to ah. Awayin na to ah. Parang di na to ah. Laro ah. Laro to pero naging away.
I think it's important that he That's what PNP. Number one is they need to pressure Andre Orientos to pass and not to score. Because they don't want somebody else other than Justin Brown scoring 30 points a game. Next is you need to be able to get Sina to engage the local.
Tingnan mo nga kung sino yung naiyak dun.
More available, the local
Bakit naiyak?
the offense. And finally, they need to be aggressive at the top. They're number 2 in terms of free throw attempts in this conference. They're averaging 28.1. From the game, shooting 68%. Alright, ito na, starting lineup. Call out si Taylor Cruz, mga video announcer. Pakinggan natin.
Wala mo pinapalatag sa'yo Tagal naman niya.
Dito na nga. Wala ka eh.
May kain ka na, Tito Jeff?
Wala pa. Taas mo ba? Taas mo. Dahil may kanin.
Ha?
Bakit mo ginawa yun? Di ba naman nakakuha yun? Dito, ano ba ba nandito yun yung boy.
Kakainin ko kaya na yun. Kaya nga, dito siya.
Ano nagkakit yun? Nandito yun. Ano yan? Ano yun?
Kaya nga,
Hoy, hindi na nakikita yung laban. Kaya mo na nakikita naman eh.
Mama, gusto ko ganyan sa bato.
Hindi ka gano'n, hindi mo tama yan eh.
Kuya Yuri. Tingnan mo nga ako na... Ay, nasan yung ate mo?
Tama na rin naman ang kanina pa ako
Wala na akong kamay. Wala na akong kamay. Tagal naman ng laban. Gusto ko na manood.
Ang balik ko dito si Beo.
Uy, nagmuna ka, kuya.
Ito naman yung buhay.
Okay na to.
Like any series. Ang bata kaya festival na considered as famous. Kaya that's over yet to find a way. Where they attack to this
No, my friend.
That's gonna be a match of the one.
Ang tagal niyo, mga friend. Hala, natutulas ako.
Ako po, ang panalo. Mama. Kabayo.
Bye-bye.